Hi everyone, hope you are all doing great in this pandemic situation. I am Mahesh, I am one of the biology faculty from the Vasavi institutions. The reason behind my appearance on this screen is just because of our Vasavi High School introducing a new way of online learning education system. It's called as a Vasavi Virtual World. As part of the Vasavi Virtual World, we are tied up with the Microsoft Teams, which sounds new, right? No worries, don't be panic, it's very easy and user friendly. Now I'm going to tell you how we have to download it and how we have to sign up in the Teams account. Let's start. So we'll go by the step by step. First step that you all need to do is open the Play Store and type it here, Microsoft Teams. So once you type the Microsoft Teams, the app will come. As I already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. So go to the Play Store and download the Microsoft Teams. This is the first step all the students has to do. And second step, your respected teacher, your respected class teacher would have sent you the PDF file. Okay na? So once when you got the PDF file, you have to open this PDF file and you will be getting there display name and username and password. These three main things you will be getting in the PDF file. Okay, so what you need to do is, first of all, for example, I will take the Syed Afrid. Syed Afrid username is this one. I have to copy it. So why I am copying here? Because the username of the Microsoft Teams, usually it's very long, so you can't type it in that. So what you need to do, you have to copy it. So once you copy it directly, you should not paste into the Teams. What you all need to do, in your phone the notes will be available. So go to the notes. In my phone Samsung Note is available. So go to the notes and take it the fresh one and paste it here. Okay now, your username you have to paste it here. Okay, so I pasted my username. This one, what my username I pasted. So later again you have to visit to the PDF file, and what else you have to download, what else you have to copy? Exactly, your password. Your password, you have to copy the password. This one is my password, I think something, yeah, I copied my password, and again same I'm pasting in the notes. So you have to paste it here. Yeah, I pasted. So I got the username and password. Now username and password, what I need to do, I have to paste it in the Microsoft. So once it is open, it will be like this. So whichever your mail ID is there, that you have to paste it here instead of typing. So what you need to do, you have to go to your notes. So I have to copy this one. Again, where you need to paste, you have to paste it in your Microsoft Teams. So here you should paste it. Yeah, I pasted. Now what you need to do next, sign in. So once you sign in, you'll go to the next page that will ask you your password. So same way here also you have to copy your password. Later again you have to enter here. Okay, so now here whatever the respected teacher sent you the password, that was disclosed, that was not created by you. So password must be created by you only. So because it is a confidential, we should not share our password to others, so that it has to be created by ourselves. So what you need to do, you have to create and you have to update your password. So here in current password you have to paste it old one, whichever sent by the sir. Now next you have to create your own password. Let me create mine. Okay, so I have created my I have created one of the student password. Yeah, next page will be like this. So if you okay, once you successfully logged in, you can see some kind of options here. First one is activity. Activity is going to show you everything has been going in your team. Most common activities that your teacher perform in a teams. This may include how many people engage in a chat in a channel, so that all the things you can observe here. So whatever your teacher performs the activities, that you can able to see here. And as well as next option is chart. So in this chart, normally when you are having one-on-one chat, you can message, call, and you can share your screen and add other people to the conversation, all from a single interface. So this one is used for like that. And next one is called Teams. So normally this is where you are going to spending most of your time. This is going to create a Teams, classrooms, and also virtual meeting, and some of the sharing ideas. So here you will spend most of the time. And next, assignment. Any assignment can be given by the teacher. You can find it in this option, assignment. So next one is calendar. So in the calendar, actually it allows us to schedule team meeting, right? So these are the four main important options that is available in the Microsoft Teams. You'll be having another things also, so we can't cover in a one video. So rest of the things we will discuss in the other video. That includes the calls, files, camera, organization. So these are all we will discuss in the another video. Okay, so thanks for your time. It's never too late for a beginning of life. Hope you all understood. Stay safe and be healthy. Thank you.